treading on thin ice, a delicate situation. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a very intriguing English idiom, tread on thin ice. This phrase is not just about the physical act of walking on ice but carries a deeper, metaphorical meaning. Let's dive into the nuances of this expression and learn how to use it in our daily conversations. Tread on thin ice is an idiom that paints a vivid picture. Imagine someone walking on a frozen lake where the ice is so thin that it could break at any moment. Metaphorically, this represents a situation where a person is in a risky or precarious position, where any wrong move could lead to trouble or disaster. This phrase is often used to describe delicate situations where someone must act or speak very carefully to avoid offending someone or worsening an already difficult situation. While it's hard to pinpoint the exact origin of tread on thin ice, it's clear that this idiom is rooted in the literal danger of walking on ice that's too thin to support one's weight. This imagery has been used for centuries to describe risky situations. Over time, it evolved into the idiomatic expression we use today, transcending its literal meaning to describe any risky or delicate scenario. Let's look at how tread on thin ice can be used in everyday conversations. 1. In personal relationships, after forgetting our anniversary, Jim is treading on thin ice with his wife. 2. In the workplace, she's been late to meetings too many times. She's really treading on thin ice with the boss. 3. In negotiations, we're treading on thin ice here. One wrong word and the deal could fall through. In each of these examples, the phrase vividly expresses the caution and danger present in the situation. Understanding synonyms can enrich your vocabulary. Here are some phrases that carry a similar meaning to tread on thin ice. Walk a tightrope, play with fire, skate on thin ice, a close variant. Be in hot water. Each of these expressions can be used to describe risky, delicate, or precarious situations. Now that you're familiar with the phrase, tread on thin ice, you can add it to your linguistic toolkit and use it to describe situations that are fraught with risk or require careful handling. Remember, language is not just about words but the imagery and emotions they convey. Happy learning, and we hope this video helps you navigate through the icy paths of English idioms with ease.